Good morning, guys. It's me, Andrea. Welcome to the Codex Club channel if you're new here, and welcome back if you have liked and subscribed. Yeah, I really love doing these videos. It's been a minute, but I mostly documented my pregnancy on here and some small business stuff for my store, the Codex Club, which is all about local art and promoting really cool like small businesses in Maryland, which is where I live. And yeah, my baby daughter just turned 1 year old, so I'm really excited to recap some of what we did for her birthday in, I think, the video I uploaded before this. And I just wanted to kind of talk about all the things that I've been up to lately, since it's been a minute. So this is going to be like a productive day in my life with a 1 year old video. Get stuff done with me, you know, that kind of thing. And I just got 1 year pictures back from our friend Shane Hutchinson, who has this really gorgeous Instagram and photography business. So I'm going to show you some of what I did with our photos, just some really light, like beauty retouching. So if anybody out there likes Photoshop or, you know, different design things like that, keep watching. I also did some cleanup around the house and some snack idea inspiration for you guys, just based on what I've been really liking with Aoife, and a little yoga with baby and mommy routine. So anyway, before I get into it, I also wanted to share these really cool organization things that I've been doing to make my days a little more productive. This I'm really excited about. It's a new 2022 calendar on thecodexclub.com. And so I've been testing it out. I made my own 2021 calendar last year, which is still on the site. I think it's discounted now, so if you guys want one for half off, there's still some good time in the year, and you can still use the whole planner. It's not limited based on the date, so you basically like use the top left for tasks, the top right for sketching, and a to-do list at the bottom of the page, but it's all free form, so it's supposed to help make you as creative as possible, and it's based on some things that I used with Muji. And anyway, so this new one for the new year is not made by me, but it's been tested by me, and I really love the constellation pattern. So if you type constellation 2022 or calendar, you'll see this on the site. But like, how cool is this? This book belongs to you or me. So January, February, like I love the little tabs. Everything's laminated, which I love. And there's this month view. There's things here for notes, goods, and birthdays. A little pocket in the back. Anyway, so we'll see how I like it. But so far I really do. I'm not going to show you like all my little ideas yet, because I feel like that's going to show itself. And I just got these verb energy bars in, so that's another sort of productivity energy thing that I'm excited to try. And if you guys want to try it, use the promo code Andrea McKinnon, all one word, for $10 off. You get to basically test out their like really yummy peanut butter chocolatey bars, and it comes with like an energy drink mix. I really love energy drink packets, so I'm going to show you some of the ones I've been drinking before I show you the verb energy bars. Okay, so you guys probably have seen these, but Emergency Liquid IV Propel Water, the grape flavor, and these Amazon electrolyte powders that are so, like, a pack of this is $20 on Amazon. A pack of their packets is like $6, and I think you get more. So I like, obviously, energy drink packets. I think they just like remind me to drink water and stay hydrated through the day, and they make it fun. So we'll see how I like the verb energy drink packets, but that's what I drink throughout the day. That's what I have on hand right now. So if you're interested in trying some flavor water, fun water, whatever, I recommend them all. All right, let me come back with those bars. Hey, okay, so I literally just checked the door and saw these in my mailbox. They texted me to let me know that they were here. Chocolate peanut butter cup. There's 12 with caffeine from green tea, and I think it's like 90 calories. Feel focused, alive, and ready for whatever. I love that. So let's try them. I thought I opened them all. Okay, it's hot. Okay, so this is cute. Let's see. 65 milligrams, as much caffeine as an espresso. Ooh. There are tree nuts, peanuts, soy milk, and eggs, or it's made in a facility that does those things. Oh. I like it. This is so good. And I love that, like, you don't have to like coffee to get the energy benefits out of it. And it tastes like a Reese's peanut butter cup. I love it. All right, let's get to the rest of the vlog. Hi guys, it's Andrea McKinnon, and welcome to my Codex Club YouTube channel. Today I'm just going to take you through a productive day in my life. These are some photos that I got back from our friend Shane Hutchinson, who grew up in Mark's hometown with him, and I was just so excited to celebrate my baby girl's 1-year birthday. So we got these coordinating outfits from Amazon and just hung out in the Rose Garden, which is like super close to Mark's family's house, and where his sister got married, so it just had a lot of emotional impact for me. I figured I wouldn't spend too long showing you guys what I do with like my retouching, but I just really love playing around in Photoshop and just cleaning up things like little flyaway hairs. I realized Shane, the photographer, already did these beautiful pictures in my opinion and did some retouching as well, but I'm a little anal and I like that, I have these little tricks that come from my years of retouching and doing beauty work. So I just really liked going in and, as you can see here, like just taking a few more flyaway hairs out with my little Wacom tablet and being able to kind of smooth out our skin a little bit. And this is a really cool feature where you can actually like emphasize someone's smile and eyes a little bit more, because Aoife was getting really tired and wanted to take a nap by the end. So I just wanted to see what we could do about, capturing her best self. So I have a few little previews here for you guys to see on the screen, and I took some footage too of me like at my computer. So if anybody out there wants to, capture their most precious moments the way I wanted to and see my setup, I tried to do both ways of showing you my workflow. So right here, what I do is I learned this from a retoucher who did like fashion retouching out in California. You eyedropper the different skin tones that you like, and you can remove wrinkles really easily that way. You kind of paint, as it were, over the photo, and then you reduce the opacity and gradually fade it out with an eraser. But I love doing stuff like this. I've done it for 10 years now, and just doing something that's personal like this makes me so happy. So just, hopefully made these a little bit nicer, because I'm going to be putting them on some framed canvas and wood for Mark and I's 2nd anniversary. I think the material is wood for 2 years. And so I just wanted it to print really well on this wood material and not change Shane's stuff too much. I've heard once there was a YouTuber I liked whose personal photographer said something like, I wanted to scratch my eyes out because of this person retouching my retouching. And, so I never want to retouch someone else's work too much, but because these are going to be printed on a distressed frame and all that, I just wanted to, do what I could. Also, as a mom, I know that I haven't always, like here, ironed everything the way I wished or been able to self-care, for myself as much as I'd want. So these are such great memories, and I just wanted to do what I could to really make sure we all had a great time. And so we've all been doing well. The last time I think I really was updating this YouTube channel was when I was pregnant, and I've done a few things since then, with Trader Joe's hauls and how Aoife's been growing up. But if there's anything else you guys want to see about my business, the online orders and how we've been doing through the pandemic, please just let me know. Send me a message or write a comment. I want to know how other moms are doing with everything that's been going on in the world. It's something that I think about a lot, like how our kids are growing up and what we're trying to do together. So anyway, happy and healthy. That's what's important. And I've been trying to stay a little more organized lately. So after I show you the rest of these, I am going to go through some of these like organization hacks I've been doing and some of my workout inspiration, cleaning inspiration, just to try and like get everything done without sacrificing too much of your day. And yes! Yes! Mwah! Aoife, hi! Can you say hi? Yeah, hi! 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 Hi, cutie! Is that a model?
That's a baby model, Aoife. Little vampire baby.
Must not look at son. Okay.
You put them on me? Oh, yeah. Yeah. me. I wear small glasses. It's true.
No? If you can, please like and follow so that we can keep in touch here on YouTube. The Codex Club is also on Instagram and Facebook, so I'd love for you to keep in touch with me on there as well.